Assalamu alaikum and welcome back to the course. Before moving further into the course and doing other refactoring, in this video we are going to talk about the refactoring goal from this legacy project. Let's get started. Now here in our project we are trying to refactor this prayer time calculator. We already started some Kotlin conversion, but we need to talk about why we are doing such a refactoring. Here for this course, we are refactoring this prayer time calculator for educational purposes, right? But in real world scenarios, we need to talk why we are doing such changes. Usually in software, we do certain changes for mainly 4 reasons. These ideas are well discussed in the Working Effectively with Legacy Code by Michael Feeders. Definitely you can check that. And he emphasized that usually we do it for 4 different purposes. The first one, which is improving the design of the code, which is what we are doing here right now. Second is fixing bugs, right? Usually we change the code to fix bugs. Third, for adding behaviors or adding features into the project or the code. And finally, to optimize its performance, for example. Here in this case, our project is working pretty fine, right? We don't have any issues, like we don't have any performance issue or bugs issue, right? But here, let's pretend that you might add a calculation method, for example. Maybe you'll have an extra calculation method. If you want to add this thing, how it will cost us, right? For that reason, we need to estimate whether this refactoring is good or not. So I emphasize again, if you don't have any issues regarding code, if it is working fine and giving the right output and the clients are pretty good with it, like you don't have to refactor it. So here we are refactoring this code just to improve its design and pretend that maybe some scenarios will happen in the future. So in your project and within your team, you need to emphasize why we are doing such a refactoring. Maybe you want to improve the design, so adding a new feature will be easy. That's one thing. Maybe you'll have a lot of successive feature addition things. So by improving this particular design, maybe it's just an aspect of the design, not the whole program. Maybe this part only will make future additions, for example, much easier. If you know that in the future we will have different methods. So I will make the refactoring here, so I will gain some time in the future. So definitely whenever you are refactoring such project, please consider some time with your team or with yourself to just understand why we are doing such a thing. Okay, so that's basically it for this video. In the next video, I'm going to talk about comments and renaming stuff. So see you there.